As I pull up, I'm gonna use the other hand to catch it. Good. So what I wanna make sure is I'm not hinging too soon. So as I come down, I wanna make sure that I'm not doing this. I wanna let that elbow extend, then follow it. You're out with your left hand. So keep your wrist straight the entire time, arm tucked the entire time. Don't let it go out, just slide it. Left hand underneath. So without any momentum, you're just gonna slide your left elbow back and let it come up and over into the rack position. So see how it stays tight to the body the entire time? Same thing, unravel, slow, controlled. Again. Down, one more time, no momentum. Good, so all that's happening is I'm sliding my elbow forward and back. So now we're gonna have a slight hinge. Keep your arms straight. So I'm not gonna pull until my hips are fully extended. Perfect, back down. Same thing, I'm not gonna hinge until my elbow is fully extended. Pull. So now we're gonna speed that up. So I'm gonna hinge and then pull. Beautiful. Hinge, pull. So now I'm gonna keep it two hands and I'm gonna let it come down. I'm gonna hinge back, I'm gonna pull straight up. So now I'm gonna incorporate a swing like I would if I was using just one hand. Exactly, but now we're still using two hands. So it's not a very far hinge, it's just a slight hang position. Good. So now I'm gonna take that hand off. I'm gonna let it come down. As I pull up, I'm gonna use the other hand to catch it. Good. So what I wanna make sure is I'm not hinging too soon. So as I come down, I wanna make sure that I'm not doing this. I wanna let that elbow extend, then follow it. There you go. And then go ahead and turn your hand in slightly so your thumb is facing slightly back. So instead of thumb facing forward, rotate it. There you go. Perfect. So now let's take that hand off. Nice, unravel. Good. So that bell's not slamming at all. It's just literally folding around the forearm into the rack position. And if I have to scale back, all I do is just go back to the two hand and I just slow it down. So I just work that trajectory. Boom.